Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a language on Facebook. So if you want to add a language on your Facebook profile, go ahead and click your profile in the upper left, then click on About. Now, once you're in the About tab, scroll down and you'll find Contact and Basic Info. You click on that. Scroll down and you'll find under Basic Info, add a language. Click on that. And let's say I want to add English. I can go ahead and I can type in English. It could be whatever, English language, United States, UK, whichever it is. Go ahead and choose one that you want and then click and save. You can also add multiple languages. So if you know multiple languages, you can always go ahead and add it. And how do you do it? Once you add the first one, you just need to go ahead and scroll down on the basic info, find that one language and click and edit. You click the pencil icon and from here, just simple type in another language. So that could be, for example, Espanol or Spanish. I can type that in and I can just simply add Spanish. And that could be that I know French. I can go ahead and type in the same thing and add multiple. Then click and save. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and add languages to your Facebook profile.